Let's get to our coronavirus coverage this Friday night. Eligible Vermonters have been getting their first shot for about 3 days now. We got an update today from the governor and other state leaders on phase 2 of the rollout. And we also heard more about that ongoing outbreak at Norwich University. Local 22's Devin Bates joins us live in the newsroom with more on this. Devin?
Yeah, Lauren, over 32,000 Vermonters 75 or older have now signed up to get vaccinated. That's 2/3 of the total population of that age group. That progress has a lot of people wondering when the state might be able to move to the next age group.
We'll want to open up the next reservation list, so to speak, as soon as we possibly can. But that doesn't mean we'll get them to them any quicker, because it all is dependent upon the supply.
Human Services Secretary Mike Smith said the state is still on track to finish getting first doses out to the 75-plus age group in 5 weeks, and everyone 65 and up by springtime.
In addition, I have not included in any of these calculations any new vaccines that may come to the market or any increase in doses coming from the federal government. Speaking of additional doses, this week we received an additional 1,350 first doses of the vaccine. This is above and beyond our regular allocation.
The state almost lost 860 vaccine doses this week. It was initially reported that Springfield Hospital would have to throw them out because storage temps were slightly above recommendations. Moderna has since informed the Department of Health that the vaccines are safe.
The general guidelines Moderna provided to all of the states indicated that in that situation, the doses may need to be discarded. But because of the very large amount of vaccine involved, 860 doses, and the specifics of the situation, we, along with hospital officials, worked with the company on a much more comprehensive review.
State Health Commissioner Dr. Mark Levine also announced an outbreak at Norwich University, first reported Wednesday, has now resulted in 80 positive cases. Students arrived back on campus a week ago, and the situation has raised questions about whether proper protocols were followed upon their arrival.
We are working very closely with Norwich to refine testing protocols, especially for close contacts, on top of the surveillance testing that's already in place, and review their quarantine housing protocols, and where needed, provide state support.
Dr. Levine also reiterating today that people shouldn't have any hesitation in getting a vaccine from Springfield Hospital. Now, as of today, over 48,000 Vermonters have been vaccinated. Live in the newsroom tonight, Devin Bates, Local 22 News.